Good morning, everybody. Just want to provide an update on what's been going on in the past couple of weeks. If you follow my channel, you know that I was hit broadside by a distracted driver using a cell phone. Totaled out my truck. So fast forward a couple weeks, I have a new truck, a Chevrolet Silverado. So this morning was a beautiful morning. We got an update from the contractor that's working on building our house that they have started the electrical. The stucco work has been ordered, which I don't expect to see that. Probably not till next week. But we have this new truck, so I decided this morning I was going to take a drive and see what they've got done with the electrical. Try to get used to this new truck and all the gadgets on it, and believe me, by no stretch of the imagination, it's a nice truck, but it's not a top of the line truck. So there's, limited technology in it, but still more technology than I'm used to. So currently I have 151 miles on it. It takes me, it's a little bit, so far I've drove it 100 miles up to the property where we're building the house. So anyways, I'm going to make a little video, show you the new truck, show you any kind of updates that we have on the house, if there's anything, notable that has happened in the past couple of weeks. And yeah, it's pretty much up to date. One thing I do want to point out is, and I received a couple comments, my channel is based on real life, everyday occurrences, and life's daily struggles and life's journey, as Christy and I, move forward in life. There's nothing scripted, there's nothing, pre-planned. This is just real life, every day, our journey. So if this is something you enjoy, following along and seeing our walk through life, and as I like to document through a lens, our adventures and life story, something you're interested in, welcome you, and please, like, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy the videos. So anyways, I'll be back with you shortly once I get to the house. Christy didn't come with me this morning. She wanted to stay home and bake some pies. So once we get to the property, I'll turn the camera back on, shoot a few pictures of the truck and a video, and bring it to you. We do have next Saturday a dove hunt planned, moving forward, and then following that, deer season starts, so we'll have some deer hunting videos out as well. So anyways, see you shortly. leave out our pesky turtle, gopher turtle burrow. It looks like by the amount of dirt here, he's been in here cleaning things up and getting ready to go into that hole for winter. So heading back to the house now. Gonna stop off at Sonny's Barbecue for a pork sandwich for lunch. They did quite a bit of work on the house, electrical wise. Looks like they're getting ready to do the plumbing to the pool pump. They finished the soffits and the fascia boards. Looks real nice, so I'm very happy with that. Got a little video of the truck in, so you'll be able to see that. And with that, that's pretty much all I have. I hope you enjoy the video, and until the next video, I'll see you later. Have a nice day.